We're camping with the dorks this weekend for Father's Day. And this is our setup. Got our little fire. The two dorks, we can't forget them.
Yeah, we're part of the setup.
We got our 10 by 10 sun shelter that hopefully will stay waterproof.
We turned into a very creative house thing.
Yes, it looks like a house inside the tent.
And we have our 8-man tent that is supposed to keep us dry tonight. And we put a tarp on it.
Show them the
Couple
water flow thingy.
Queen size air mattresses.
Two, by the way.
This is their third time camping.
In the same area, in the same site.
4.
And this is how close we are to the river. Almost there. And here's the river.
It's awesome.
Right there.
And then there's another spot to the river that we can go swimming in.
And this is where we will fish tomorrow. Right?
And we will be hiking tomorrow also.
Yes. And
We'll
we're
be
going to hike up in that direction somewhere
Yeah, we do not
up
know.
there.
Near the trees.
Yep. And that should be fun. We may even do some fishing.
This is
right
our
over
second time.
All the way back there, there's another
There.
ground over there.
So that's it. See ya.